Finding the right gasless MIG welder can be a real challenge, especially when you're just starting out or want something portable and efficient. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Yes Welder 135 amp MIG Welder. Let's kick things off with the Yes Welder 135 amp MIG Welder. Priced at $104.99, this welder caught my attention with its impressive 3-in-1 functionality. If you want a budget-friendly option that covers all your welding needs, this is worth a serious look. What stands out about this welder is its 135 amp output, allowing you to work on mild steel up to 2/5 inch thick. This means you can tackle a variety of projects without worrying about limitations. Plus, it's super versatile with MIG, stick, and lift TIG capabilities. The digital display lets you monitor the real-time current, giving you precise control while you work. It also weighs just 19.74 pounds, making it extremely portable for any on-the-go projects. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The adjustable wire feeding speed, which ranges from 120 to 420 inches per minute, means you can customize your experience based on the thickness of the materials you're working with. This feature is a game changer for beginners who might feel overwhelmed by welding settings. Now, some people complained about the lack of a TIG torch included for lift TIG mode. Here's the thing though, if you're only starting with MIG and stick welding, you might not need it right away. It's an additional purchase, but you can still get a lot of value from this welder without it. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or casual user looking for a reliable, easy-to-use welder. Skip this one if you're a seasoned pro needing advanced features right out of the box. For its price, it definitely offers great value. Now, if you found the weight of the Yes Welder a bit much for your needs, the next option might be exactly what you're looking for. Product number 2. Best MIG 135A MIG Welder, priced at $109.99. What drew me in was the complete accessory kit included, which isn't something you see often at this price point. If you want a fully equipped starter kit, this one deserves your attention. With a true current of 135A, this welder can handle materials up to 1/8 inch thick, making it suitable for various applications. The digital technology is designed for beginners. It automatically adjusts parameters based on your settings. Just load the wire spool, connect the gun, and you're ready to start. This means less time fumbling around and more time welding. The inclusion of a user-friendly auto-darkening welding helmet and gloves is a huge plus. It ensures that you're protected right out of the box, which is a relief if you're new to welding. You won't have to worry about purchasing these essentials separately. Now, some users have mentioned that the helmet could be better quality. Here's the thing though, it's a great starter helmet and you can always upgrade later. For beginners, it's a solid choice to get you going without additional hassles. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out and want everything in one package. Skip this one if you need a more advanced helmet or are working on heavy-duty projects. For the price and what you get, it's hard to beat this value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better if you're looking for more versatility. Product number 3. Yes Welder Gasless 160A Multi-Process MIG Welder, priced at $175.98. This one caught my eye with its 4-in-1 capabilities. If you want flexibility in your welding tasks, this is definitely worth considering. With a robust 160A output and dual voltage options, 110 volt and 220 volt, you can work on everything from automotive repairs to DIY projects. It also supports both 2LB and 10LB spools of wire, which is great for those who want to tackle larger jobs. The Smart Control feature automatically adjusts the recommended voltage based on your selected thickness, which takes a lot of guesswork out of the equation. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ability to manually adjust wire feeding speeds and voltage means you won't feel limited by automatic settings, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned users. Plus, the advanced LED display enhances visibility, so you can easily monitor your parameters. Now, some users have pointed out that the unit can feel bulky at times. But here's the thing, With its power and features, a little extra weight is a trade-off for performance. If you're planning on moving it frequently, that might be a consideration. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile machine that can handle various types of welding. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-light for quick jobs. The price reflects its capabilities, so you're getting good value here. If you need something even lighter, the next product might just be for you.
Product number 4, the XR Market 160 amp 3-in-1 welder, which is priced at just $79.98. What grabbed my attention was its lightweight design and auto-darkening goggles that come included. If you're looking for an affordable option that doesn't skimp on safety, this one is a steal. This welder blends functionality by offering a flux core, lift TIG, and stick welding all in one. This means you can switch between welding modes easily without the hassle of reconfiguring your setup each time. The safety features are impressive. It includes overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheat protections, ensuring you can work without worry. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The large LED display is a lifesaver for visibility, especially in low-light situations. You'll clearly see your welding parameters, making the process smoother and more efficient. Now, some complaints revolve around its power limitations, especially for heavier materials. But here's the thing. For light to medium projects, it performs admirably. If you're taking on heavy-duty work regularly, this might not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you're a casual welder or hobbyist looking for a portable setup. Skip this if you need to tackle very thick materials consistently. Overall, it's a fantastic value for what you get. Now, if you want something with even more features, the last product on our list might be the right choice for you. Product number 5. Welder 165A Mig Welder, retailing for $169.99. What I love about this machine is its 4-in-1 versatility and the detachable torch design. If you want a powerful welder that's easy to maintain, this could be your best option. With a solid 165 amp output, this machine is perfect for various welding tasks. It supports MIG, stick, and lift TIG modes, which lets you handle a range of materials and project types. The synergistic control adjusts voltage and wire feeding speed automatically, simplifying the process for beginners while still providing room for expert adjustments. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The detachable torch not only makes setup a breeze, but it also eases maintenance. You won't have to deal with complicated setups, making it a great choice for both professionals and hobbyists. Now, some users have reported that it can be slightly heavier compared to other options, but for the features it offers, I think the weight is justified. If you're primarily working in a fixed location, the weight won't be an issue, and the added power is worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a multi-function welder with excellent performance. Skip this if you're looking for the lightest option for mobile projects. For the price and capabilities, this is definitely a solid investment. Alright, let's summarize everything we talked about. To wrap things up, we've looked at some fantastic gasless MIG welders. The Welder 135 amp is great for beginners, while the best MIG 135A offers a complete starter kit. The Welder Gasless 160A provides versatility, and the XR Market 160 amp is perfect for hobbyists. Finally, the Welder 165A stands out for its detachable torch design.